Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a Lego reindeer ornament for your Christmas tree. So first of all, we're going to take one of these 2x6 plates, and we'll need two more, and we will attach them like so. Next up, we have some of these 1x2 plates that have a little hole in them. They will go above like so. We need two of these dark orange curved plates that will form the antlers like so, and we have these 1x2 round plates, one to either side. Alright, so that gives us all the framework to now help build the rest of the reindeer body. So these 3x3 corner plates go over the top to lock all of that framework underneath together. We'll need a 2x4 plate that locks in like so, and then we have these wedge plates, one on either side to help build the rest of his face. And last of all, we've got these plates that have these rock fractured ends, looks a bit like fur. We'll have 1 and 2 down the bottom to help finish off the base of his face. So next up, we need his nose to start coming in. So a tan plate goes on. We need to build his nose. So we've got these curved plates. When you put them side by side, they'll form a point. That's going to go in like so. A jumper plate below it, and these quarter tiles to finish him off. Oops. So it's Rudolph, I guess, so he's going to have a red nose. There's his nose. And he needs some ears. There's 1 ear and 2 ears. And because we use those rounded plates, we have the ability to now angle them up like so. He needs the rest of his antlers. They'll go on like so, and you can change the angle of them however you like. So what do you call a reindeer with no eyes? I have no idea. So let's give him some eyes. We can change the angle of his eyes. I'm going to get them pointing in. Oh, this one doesn't want to go on. What have I done wrong? There we go. Or we might have his eyes pointing up in weird angles, so he looks a bit crazy. Or maybe he's looking up to the side. It's up to you where you want to put his eyes. Change their orientation to give him some personality. You can get different eyes that have some colour in them as well, so a little bit of a blue or orange to give him a little bit of a different look as well. So that's our reindeer finished. We need to now thread our string through that hole. Once we've done that, we need to tie off. So that he can hang from the Christmas tree. It's all done, and there he is. Lego reindeer for your Christmas tree.